Hey there, I'm Emma. I'm a writer, recipe developer, and right now I'm in the mood for something sweet. A big little recipe has big flavor and a little ingredient list. Today, our food stylist Anna is making my recipe for rice pudding that just happens to be dairy-free. Lots of rice pudding recipes include milk, half and half, or cream, but we're using rice milk. Just pulse rice in a blender, then cover with hot water. Let that soak for a couple hours. Brown sugar has a deeper flavor than granulated. I love using brown rice instead of white for its big, nutty flavor. Combining cooked rice with the sweetened rice milk gives us more control. As its starches thicken, the pudding becomes creamy and rich, almost like risotto. You could serve this with maple syrup, chocolate chunks, or lots of fruit. And that's rice pudding in 2 ingredients. Let's eat!